Indian Council of Medical Research has reported 2 cases of human metapneumovirus or Hmpv in Karnataka involving a 3-month-old female and an 8-month-old male infant diagnosed with bronchopneumonia. Both infants treated at Baptist Hospital in Bengaluru are recovering and had no history of international travel. A similar case has been reported in Gujarat with a 2-month-old infant in stable condition. However, the Union Health Ministry is closely monitoring the situation. Karnataka Health Minister noted that such respiratory infections, typically lasting about 5 days, are common and pose no major threat. Dr. Goyal reassured that there is nothing to worry about as the virus's symptoms are as normal as the common cold or flu.
Somebody has cough and cold, he should avoid coming in contact with a lot number of people so that the infection does not spread, and while using hanky or towel for coughing and sneezing, and take the normal medicines that are required for cold or fever whenever it's there. Otherwise, nothing to be alarmed about the present situation.
Influenza-like illness, that is respiratory illnesses. In that, 1% of the illnesses normally are due to this Hmpv virus. So it's a very normal thing, and it is not there's no fatalities in this, and people get it, and they are affected for a few days, and it passes on.